Menteri ka Sorkar Jala Bederu Wemele ka United Democratic Party na Kleriat uba Kermen Chala Ulaong. Balada ka sa simen kayo ban penyar ya jingti motion habri chernot East Jante Hills. Kadai banlong da gajing ya sotu lang bat ki try snong. Da ka ba ulabu swa hakmat ya gajing mento jong snong ban wanra ya ki kampenroy. La kadai ban penyang ya ki surok ko umbam kumdi ki jaka puli par ki jaka sumar ru ki de ban chim ya ka jingkit kle. La ban kro ba ka jingtmu jong ka karkhana penmi dobilat star cement ban pelong ya ka public hearing ne ka jingelang pensengu tu pai ba nagamta ban penyar syushu ya ki party motion ki jongka haji benta jongka senang bridge renat kathan ilaka narpo East Jante Hills district kalapulom hadu laisin kenti na ka jing khanglat ban ka jing persha jongki seng balang ki beper wat na ka leng ki nong song snong ki penpau bagi kersan ki jing temu ban penyar trekam jong ka ka karkhana Habakran bat katu kani kinong tho kubor wemele ulong bagi kam penroy hagathan kilong ke badan kam bat banyo ye ki kam penroy kan don bait ke jingta la kalong hagamaryang ne kiwe kiliang henry don kam ban khmi ru ye ki lat ban yada na ke jingsha punjulor ulong ba kabadon kam kalong ban ngap ye kinong song snong ne ki trai snong Henry ula keren chai bakas star cement kam dei pat bakan khnyot ne shim kabu ya ka jinglong ba sisur jong ki trai snong yo lesi ha ka jing bam sngoto kiate ya kanu katsos kular habakali ula ong ba yamanta patla ban punkut ya ka jingle ne jingthmu jong ka star cement kalong kabadei ne ka balait Henry kabadon kam kalong ban ngap ya ka sur ubabun balang bat ka baningkong Deiru ban ngap suapat ya ki traishnong namar ki tip khambha ya ki jingdon kam ha ka be dei bar ka jing persha de ki babun ki kunhun bat ki senk ya ka public hearing u emily ula ong ba kum kalong omla ban ong namar la persang na kalyang ki bor penya district bat kinong penya ya ka tiga company ban pensngoto ha ka jo ko por uba shla ulong ba omla ban chusha ya kinu ki company ban chuwan ban kamai spa daga basuk shagathan henry ki dei ban ai jing toy bat ban pinbyang ru ya ka jing don kam jong ki pai ba
ji de bat kene ka star cement ke de issues pingi imo sa pending ba ki pai ba manta kim kwa bakan long kene ka ban extend ka mine juga star cement corporation na ngana kalian juga ngan otak ke wehi ke don't come ini ban setho ba okay ke development we don't come in every hakinu development ba shalong kan don be kita jingta ya ke mariang lene ki ke development ka don ke jingta ka don andai ke main concern hi ke de ke concern jong gitu ki trash no ke jings neu jong gitu ki trash no and plus ndei tang ba ke jingwa jong ki trash no ban tangban urlong le ban island ya ka star cement ban le mining le ban extend ya to mine handai ka bodon kam hangne ke banga snew dalade ba nalen chu ka star cement ru kinde ban khnyot le ban shim kabu ya ka jinglong jong kini ki trash no yo le se ki bopli kim snew thu le ki snew thu knowingly or unknowingly yo le se ki don ka agreement but nalen chu nga kwa ba if nada kanlong kenika mine it should be the ka jingsel thu jong ki trash no plus the ka ba ai ka maximum facilities iki ya ka snong fast concern is ya ka snong which are not namar ka mine ka locate ha to snong and then ai ki no ka electricity should be provided and then hadu ka road sectors water supply school when it comes to education all the needs should be responsible and then take care by the star cement if with that CSR or maybe through DMIF or maybe whatever funds can be given lamba jo the star cement they should provide them the maximum should goes to the villages and then extend yaka shaka to the whole district and maybe the whole state as a whole we require those funds Andrei lada ni ong ba ke bale ka star cement ka balong ni ka bomlong kata I cannot give any comments as of now. Andrei my first concern is that ni hap snap yo pait ba babun balang but first day jong ka trash no ke support jong trash no nomar kitip kham ba ban yengi ke jing don kam jong ki and then you let's say ngini kang andre utu pai ba shang ha tu shno pat udon kam re tang na kadau ba ngadon ki chis ni yelade re ngim sha yaki that is unfair re it should be with the concern the kaching to with the public hearing and the public hearing how will it happen I'm not sure ban omanta like prashang na lengi deputy commissioner like prashang ka site route it doesn't happen so let's see the future step what will happen and I believe that whatever steps taken by the NGOs by the public it should be for the benefits of our people either accept or deny but it should be for the benefits of our people no we don't want ngim kwa ban sha yakinu kinu ki companies ban wan sha kini state jongi bakin shuwan ban lut lani ban ra yaki ege ching don kam joki hindi without providing any kind of assistance yaki ba not only Star Cement any cement plants or any companies whether it's local companies or outside companies it should be as per the rules company rules that baki have provide yaki jing don kam jing locals so my concern is that
Benta nak kalian ki sing bapir ki persya ke ni ke hearing ki ong bakala man warai ke jing penjot di kemariang ki wa ki do om do wa hantu kan warai ke jing penjot kan bisni ka lawe jing ki klau ki kitab kan ki jing fi par ro ke
that's what nga oma hakino kino ki construction kan don be kata ke jing kata e kemariang that is natural ladang isna ya ke yuru kan don hi ke cingta ya kemariang ladang isna ki project baheru ya kemariang kan don cingta henry kumnungin ya da ya kemariang that is very important hakino ki benta kumnungin le ban ya da ya kemariang ban ya da ya kini ki deng ki say page example ngani 15 yang show do yong mental bele ke NGT ka ban mar ngini ti hakata ko kom ba ndon kata ka systematic ban ya da ya kemariang henry menta naliang jong ka ain kila ai lat ini banti it should be as per the rules mah bagi hak follow kenang ban ya daya kemariang the same thing when it comes hakini ki mind ru kade ke jui ladang hilak kenu ke development kan sadon be ke jing kunjot kemariang menre kumno ban ya daya kemariang kata kade ke responsible jongi and plus kade ke responsible jong ke company ladang hilak ke mining kumno ke agreement it should be within the agreement but they have to provide banyada ya ka waluka banyada itu ki forest hante it should not affect the animals nomor hantu mar senda kadon kini ka wildlife so they should confirm and then they should be very firm with that kanum kita ya gitu ki ya kemariang asapu